Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can complain to Sainsbury's Grocery. So if you want to make a complaint on Sainsbury, or if you want to contact a support team, in that case you'll need to go ahead and file a form. So for that you need to go to the help center from the home page itself, and here you'll be provided with all sort of details. So what you'll have to do is just go ahead and scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see this. Just go ahead and type in file a complaint. So you'll be able to see this option as complaint email, and that's going to take you to the page where you can actually go ahead and type in the information on what you can do it. So after that you can just go ahead and read the full article and follow the instruction and accordingly do the procedure. So to contact them you can use phone, so all you have to do is just go ahead and type in or contact in a toll-free number that will be provided on the email itself or on the website, and after that you can just state about the issue and then look into your matter. So that's basically how you can complain to Sainsbury Groceries. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.